Hello, my name is Anand Gopalakrishnan of 7A Oakridge International School, Einstein Campus, and this is my submission of the master project of SP-Robotic Works Foundation level. Hello, my name is Anand Gopalakrishnan, and this is my master project for the SP-Robotics course Foundation level. If you are a jeweler and you have a lot of valuable jewelry displayed, it is prone to theft. So the jeweler would want to protect this jewelry. So I have devised a device that is called the shoplifter alarm. As long as the item is displayed in the display case, the alarm will not sound and the light will remain off. But as soon as it is removed from the display case, the alarm will sound and the light will turn on. Let me show you. As you can see, the alarm sounded and the light turned on. This will alert the shopkeeper or jeweler that some item has been shoplifted or stolen. This is the circuit inside the alarm made using the SPRW foundation kit. This is the module diagram for the alarm circuit. This is the circuit diagram for the alarm circuit.